Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to save WhatsApp photos to Google Photos. And let's get started by open Google Photos application. After that you need to click at the profile icon at the right top, and firstly make sure that you enable backup. If you have it disabled, under the backup you will see the button turn on backup, so click at this button, or you can click at the backup and just click at the slider. After that, also tap at the profile icon, go to the Google Photos settings and to the backup. And make sure that your backup account is the same as what you use. So you can click on it and switch between accounts if you have multiple accounts. After that, we can move to the WhatsApp. So open WhatsApp, and right here I have the photo what I wanna save. So click at the sharing icon at the left bottom and then save. Now it's safe. Hello, full access. It's safe on my phone. So let's check the gallery. Did I have this photo? Maybe let me click again. Save. Save. So, oh, okay, I have two photos. And because we enable backup and I have enough of space, it should upload to Google Photos. And now, as you can see, it uploading to Photos because I've saved two. And now we have it in the Google Photos. And so the date 22, and right here we should have this photo. I have only one, I don't know why, but this photo what I just saved. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.